In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account. First, I open, then click on this logo icon. Again, click on this three dot menu. Now you need to click on account center. Then again, click on personal details. Again, click on account and ownership. Again, click on deactivate or deletion. Again, select your account. If you have a multiple, here is a shown. You need to select one. Which one you want to delete? Then again click on deleting your account, then continue. Now once why you remove this account, so you can choose anyone, something else, then click on continue. You can select any others. Now again click on continue. Now this is the last step. You need to input your password, then click on continue, then your account will be removed from Instagram. That's it. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.